guys, I want to share some happy mail from my bestie Teresa, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa. I'm going to put this to the side and bring everything out. Okay. Oh my gosh. She got Charlie a toy. He's going to love this. And he loves squirrels. And he loves soft toys too. And it squeaks. So he's going to love this. I'm going to read this off camera. Oh, there's one to my husband. How sweet. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is so awesome. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Is it a charcuterie board for dogs, right? It is. Oh my gosh, Charlie's gonna love this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Teresa makes planners. So she made this for me. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Planner, coffee, and happy meal. That's the Shabby life. Oh, this is so cute. And there's Charlie and there's me. Oh my gosh. This planner belongs to Jamie. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is awesome. And then she's using all the little avatars that I love using. Themes for each month. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Teresa is fresh and renewed with Teresa on YouTube. And she also has a second channel that's more like planner. And that channel is Creatively Faithful with Teresa. This is awesome. And she decorated it so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. And I'm gonna bring it on my coffee dates and do planning. And this makes it so much fun to plan. Oh my gosh, to do this week, packages to mail to DT. Oh my gosh. Important, my favorite memory about this week. Daily top goals. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, looking ahead. This is great, Teresa. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And it's decorated so pretty. And then there's this coffee bean blank page. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. February, so each month is going to be decorated differently. Goals, notes. How cool is this planner? This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Teresa. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so cute. My video stopped recording somewhere, but let's see, what month am I on? March. Look how cute. This is just so amazing. Oh my gosh, so cute. Really, Teresa, this is going to be so much fun to plan with. Look at this. Oh, look, I just love this. Looking ahead. This is amazing. Amazing, guys. Teresa is so talented in so many ways. She designs for us. She does, you know, the paper pads, the ephemera. She's designed stamp sets. She designs planners. She makes cards. She's just so talented, guys. If you don't know Teresa, give her a follow on YouTube. She's fresh and renewed with Teresa. And she also has a planner channel, which is Creatively Faithful. Look at that. And then a summer one. How cute. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And then she left a blank one so I could decorate this one. Oh, I love it. Ooh, look at the cute, oh my gosh, that's a Shar-Pei. Oh, I used to have a Shar-Pei named Tegan and she looked exactly like that one. How cute. Oh my gosh, guys. A cute boxer. How adorable. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Love it. Oh, September. All I want to do is drink and create pretty things. All we need is coffee. Oh my gosh, was this fun to create, Teresa? Oh my goodness. October, we've got some pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh my gosh, this is so my style. How cute, how cute. Okay, I can't wait to show Charlie his toys. I'm gonna have to pop in a picture, a little video of Charlie getting his cute little squirrel. And then we've got December. Look at the coffee bar. Oh my goodness, adorable. Oh, coffee and cocoa bar. That is so cute. And then it's laminated, made with love and not too shabby. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Teresa. I absolutely love this. Love it. So I am going to pop in a video of Charlie.
Charlie, you got a Christmas present from your friend Teresa. You want to see what it is? Okay. Exciting. Let's put it here. What is it? What is it? What'd you get?
Whoa.
What'd you get? Is it a squirrel?
Oh, Charlie loves squirrels.
It's a squirrel. Oh my gosh. Do you like it, Charlie? He says yes.
I think he likes
It's
it.
very, very, very pretty. He loves it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Teresa. That'll keep him busy for a while. You also got this. Look at that. Snacks. You like that?
Mm-hmm.